Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into Bandhan Bank account online. Firstly, to do so, go to your preferred web browser. Here, I'm using Safari for now. Then, on the search box, search for bandhanbank.com and press enter. This will take you to the home page of the website. Before logging in, you have to make sure that you have an account first. If you do, then you may proceed. Firstly, go to the login button on the top right corner of your screen beside the pay button, and then click on that login button. This shows two options. One is internet banking and the other is corporate internet banking. Here, I would like to choose internet banking for now. Then, once I click on it, it will open a new tab where I have to enter my login credentials. However, if you do not have an account yet, you may click on the register now link below. If you want to proceed and you have an account, then you have two choices as well. You can log in using your user ID or your MPIN. To log in with your MPIN, you have to first enter your mobile number. Then you will have to enter your MPIN, which is a kind of PIN you had set previously while creating the account. This is also kept private, like a password. Once you've filled in those details, then you may click on Get OTP. This will send an OTP of 6 numbers in your mobile number for further verification. However, if you would like to use your user ID to log in, then you will have to enter your user ID in the first text box and then your password in the second. Once you filled both of them, then you may agree to the terms and conditions by clicking on the box below. However, if in any case you forget your user ID or password, you may click on Forgot User ID or Forgot Password link right below Get OTP button. Once you've filled in all your details correctly, then you may click on the Get OTP button to further get an OTP in your mobile number. Furthermore, once you click on Get OTP, an image is also shown on your screen to further verify. Here, you have to enter whatever is shown on screen. Here, on my screen, the image shows 34kpv. So, I will be entering 34kpv in the text box. After doing so, you may again click on the Get OTP button. After that, a page may open up where you have to fill in your OTP. After you fill in your OTP, you will successfully be logged into your account. This is how you will simply be logged into your Bandhan Bank account online. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.